looks so JDM, bro. Gas station Riz is crazy.
This is kind of cheap, but...
but it keeps going.
Yeah.
Oh, the gas is so strong. It smells like rubbing alcohol or something. Like locker thinner. Did you see that? You put gas first and then you pay later inside. I was like, come on, let's go. And he's like, how do we pay? And I was like, what do you mean? You take the number into the cashier and then you pay when you're done. America could never have this.
Never have this.
America could never have this. What the heck? In the middle of the neighborhood, there's like a freaking tuner shop.
We just parked on the outside and like they have little crossing guards. So that way we can cross the street. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
It's a Sumiko Brewery spot. It's fast trend. But I don't know the character name. But I got this one.
That one's a cute one. Whoa, that was so fast. Cute.
It's so soft.
And it's so huge.
That's super huge.
It's so cute. I don't want to eat it.
It is so cute. I'm gonna get pepper lunch for lunch. I'm gonna try pepper lunch, and I'm pretty sure we have the same thing in California, but it's called sizzling lunch. And they have this one. They don't really have these other ones with the hamburger or the steak, but they do have this one. And I got the large size, and it was $7.30. And in California, I think it's maybe $15 to $17. So we're gonna see it. I think I'm the next person, so I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. Doesn't it look so good?
Yeah, this looks super good.
And I looked it up, it's $7 for this.
Really?
For the large one. That's such a good deal.
That's super good.
Oh, that's a pretty good amount.
Yeah, I'm happy I went up a size. This is really good.
It looks good. What did you guys get?
What's your curry? That was pretty good.
Katsu miso soup?
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Yeah, thank you for showing us around. That was super sick.
These are probably
Hey guys.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Sayonara.
Hi, boss, I got you.
This is where we were last night. This is where we were like 12 hours ago. Okay, Christine's gonna drive.
You're so dumb.
So, everybody else got your helmets on?
You're so dumb.
Oh, look, there's Brad. No, it's not. But their antenna's a little bit up.
You should go put their antenna up too.
Oh, this helmet's kind of cool, bruh. Okay, so Christine's gonna drive, so we need an extra protection on. On our way to our Airbnb in Yokohama.
We're in Tokyo now and we're back at our favorite conveyor belt sushi place that we tried. So we're at Sushi Hero. The last one that we tried was in Universal City Walk, but we're gonna try it here and see if it's the same. Oh, so many. I don't usually like these raw shrimp ones, but at this place it's super good. Oh!
That's why.
Okay, we have so many to try. I got all of the different variations that they had. Look at how fat this piece of tuna is.
22, 25 plates. We did order 25 plates. That's a lot of sushi, man.
Yeah. That's what you needed?
I needed this.
I see your parfait.
You see it?
You look right there.
Okay, it's coming.
Oh, who is that?
Oh,
Oh, that looks good.
this looks super good too.
Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. The cat is a cat.
Oh, the ice cream is so good. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my. Whoa, there's toll cars.
Wow. Alright, let's get some snacks and stuff, but we're gonna walk around for sure. Everything. Look at this little, not little, but look at this drift car. So we just got here, but also the cops just got here too. So I don't know if they're making everybody go home or what, but we're gonna try and see what we can see before they kick everybody out. So let's go real quick. Oh, he's right here. Him, officer. Yep. Get him. Ooh. Look at that. He's like walking up and down. He has his ticket book in his hand, I think, or something. Look, look, he's writing a ticket. Oh my gosh, he's writing everybody tickets. Yeah, no front plate. Dang.
About having black at the top.
Yeah, black too.
And then a different color, like a lighter color at the bottom.
Aw, that's actually nice, bro.
That is super nice.
Freaking flaked out, yo. Freaking RWB or what? Look how aggressive this S15 looks. This thing looks freaking sick. Look at this thing. It's like the perfect stance too, like aggressiveness. Oh, look at this 33. I think these people are making a music video. There's so much happening here. This is nuts. There's like a ton of stuff happening right now. This is freaking crazy. Bro, we're literally at Daikoku right now. The highways look nuts too.
It's so much higher than it looks like in the videos.
Yeah, and I feel like a lot of people say like you get lost easily coming here, and I can understand that because there's a ton of like off ramps and on ramps just to get to this spot. But luckily we didn't have any issues. We actually got here first shot, so I know that a lot of people who miss like certain exits and stuff, they have to go like all the way around. But we literally are staying for like 20 minutes if that from this place, so we'll probably be here a bunch, and I'm super stoked. Look at this freaking clean 180. What the heck? That thing is like stock as heck. There's actually quite a big scene for Porsches out here, I've noticed. There's been a few handfuls of Porsches at like these little car meets and stuff that I've been seeing. Look at that.
Oh, this lens is so good. It's zoom all the way.
That's why I wanted it, because it's an 18 to 300. You can literally use that lens for everything. You know, it's a cool shot, that intersection right there of the freeways.
Really? You
Yeah.
can go all the way over there?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That's so far. This is a really good lens.
It's so cool that you can hear like all the highway noises from here. It adds to the experience. You can hear them running like this loop. I don't know what you call this thing, but you can hear them running the loops. It's freaking nuts. Bro, this is freaking nuts to be here. Oh, that's freaking crazy.
God, does he have my boots?
This us. This is the Silvio bit. That's a nice color. That's cool. They modified like literally everything. Look at this thing. It's freaking sick. I know you guys probably heard me say sick 1 million times already, but trust me, they're sick. Oh, he got stuck. Damn, look at how freaking slammed this thing is. This guy's static too. This thing looks crazy. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. We just came by to stop at Daikoku just to check it out. We'll be back. I'm super stoked to be here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, peace out.